Imagine a book, revealed over 1,400 years ago, containing knowledge so advanced that modern science is still catching up. A book that describes human embryology, oceanic barriers, and cosmic phenomena with precise accuracy, centuries before microscopes, telescopes, and advanced research. How could such knowledge exist in a time when scientific tools and understanding were virtually non-existent? The answer is clear. This book is none other than the Qur'an, the divine word of Allah, a revelation so profound that it continues to astonish scientists today. Science has always been a field driven by discovery, experimentation, and observation. However, in multiple instances, modern research has only confirmed what the Qur'an stated long before. Many scholars, including prominent scientists, have marveled at the precision of the Qur'an's descriptions, realizing that such knowledge could not have been guessed or assumed by a man in the 7th century. But what are these scientific miracles that continue to captivate the minds of researchers? Let's uncover the astounding revelations found in the Qur'an and see how they align with modern science. One of the most breathtaking examples lies in the development of the human embryo. Until the invention of sophisticated imaging technology, little was known about the intricate stages of embryonic development. Yet, the Qur'an describes it with stunning precision. We created man from an extract of clay. Then we made him a drop in a secure resting place. Then we created the drop into a clinging clot, and we created the clot into a lump, and we created the lump into bones, and we covered the bones with flesh. Then we developed him into another creation. So blessed is Allah, the best of creators. These words detail the exact sequence of embryonic growth, from fertilization to the clinging state, to the development of bones before the covering of flesh. Scientists today confirm this order to be accurate, something that was impossible to have been known over a millennium ago. But that's just the beginning. Let's move beyond the human body and look at the vast oceans. Deep within the seas, where sunlight cannot penetrate, lies a phenomenon known as internal waves. Scientists have recently discovered that these deep-sea waves exist between different water layers of varying densities. Yet, the Qur'an already described this in vivid imagery, or like the depths of darkness in a vast deep sea, covered by waves, over which are waves, above which are clouds, layers of darkness, one upon another. This description not only refers to the darkness of the deep sea, but also highlights the existence of waves within the ocean itself, an observation that would take centuries for humans to confirm through scientific advancements. And what about the vast cosmos? Astronomy is a field that has only recently unlocked the secrets of the universe, yet the Qur'an already provided insights into celestial mechanics. Consider the verse, "And the sun runs its course for a term appointed." That is the decree of the Almighty, the All-Knowing. It was once believed that the sun was stationary, but modern science has confirmed that the sun indeed follows a specific orbit, moving through space at incredible speeds. This celestial movement is not random but follows an exact, predetermined path, just as the Qur'an described over 1,400 years ago. The expansion of the universe is another remarkable example. Scientists in the 20th century, particularly through the work of Edwin Hubble, discovered that galaxies are moving away from each other, proving that the universe is continuously expanding. Yet, the Qur'an had already revealed this fact when it stated, "And we have built the heaven with might, and indeed we are expanding it." How could this be known at a time when the prevailing belief was that the universe was static and unchanging? The Qur'an provided knowledge that would take humanity over 1,000 years to confirm through modern physics. Another fascinating discovery involves the mountains and their function. In geological studies, it has been established that mountains have deep roots, anchoring the Earth's crust and playing a crucial role in stabilizing tectonic activity. The Qur'an references this by saying, "And we placed firm mountains on the earth so it would not shake with them." This concept of mountains as stabilizers was unknown to early civilizations, yet the Qur'an described their purpose with perfect accuracy. Furthermore, consider the concept of living things being created from water. Modern biology has determined that water is essential for all forms of life. The human body, for instance, is made up of approximately 60% water. Every living cell depends on water to function. The Qur'an states, "And we made every living thing from water." Will they not then believe? In an era where many had no understanding of cellular structures or biological processes, this verse directly aligns with one of the fundamental principles of modern biology. But let's take a moment to reflect. How could a man in the 7th century possess such accurate knowledge about embryology, oceanic phenomena, astronomy, geology, and biology? The answer is simple: he didn't. The Quran is not the work of man. It is the divine revelation from Allah, the creator of all things, whose knowledge is beyond human comprehension. Many scientists, upon encountering these verses, have been left in awe. Some have even accepted Islam after realizing that no human being could have produced such knowledge at a time when scientific understanding was primitive. The accuracy of these revelations serves as a reminder that the Quran is not a book of myths or assumptions. It is a book of truth, a guidance for humanity, filled with divine wisdom. But this raises an important question. If the Quran has already revealed truths that science later confirmed, how many more realities does it contain that we have yet to uncover? The scientific miracles in the Quran are not just a testament to its divine origin, but also an invitation to explore, research, and seek knowledge with an open mind and heart. The more we advance in science, the more we realize the perfection of Allah's creation. From the vast galaxies to the smallest particles of life, everything operates under His divine command. The Quran continuously reminds us to reflect, observe, and ponder over the signs of Allah, for in doing so, we strengthen our faith and appreciation for His infinite wisdom. So, the next time you hear someone claim that religion and science are at odds, remind them of the Quran's astonishing revelations, scientific facts that were unknown at the time yet revealed with perfect precision. And as science continues to progress, it will only further confirm what the Quran has already declared. Because truth, when it comes from Allah, remains unshakable, undeniable, and everlasting. If this video made you think, then take a moment to reflect. Open the Quran, seek its wisdom, and remember, there is more to this world than what meets the eye. What other secrets will you uncover?